The Celestron NexStar 8SE kit features an iconic orange tube design and advanced computerized technology, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced astronomers. Its 8-inch primary mirror provides excellent light-gathering capabilities, allowing users to explore detailed views of celestial objects within our solar system and beyond. With a database of over 40,000 celestial objects, the fully automated GoTo mount makes locating and tracking astronomical objects simple and efficient. The NexYZ DX Kit included in the package facilitates easy astroimaging with a universal smartphone adapter, enabling users to capture stunning images of the night sky. The kit is designed to be compatible with a wide range of smartphones, ensuring that users can easily connect their devices for seamless image capturing. Additionally, the Bluetooth shutter release remote helps eliminate blurriness by allowing users to take pictures without physically touching their smartphones.